ISTE3E deals with hardware, software, network connectivity, and troubleshooting. I have provided some links and resources that would help educators with troubleshooting in the classroom when they're dealing with technology during classroom instruction or for personal use when getting lesson plans together. Of course, our platform is Google, so I have added the supportgoogle.com, which is very easy to navigate. I've researched each link, which is very easy to navigate. If there are questions, the teacher does not have a problem with finding answers to what she needs. Also, I have included the Montgomery Public Schools Technology Department link, which has the help desk as well as work orders, because the protocol now is to send the work order so that the technology coordinator gets it first. If the technology coordinator cannot handle the problem, they can then forward the email to the technology department downtown. So these are some very useful tools that can help solve and answer any question that a teacher, student, parent, or staff may have when it comes to technology. I think this is going to have to be something that is also mandatory because we are moving towards technology integration much more with the effect of COVID-19 and with the following school year.